Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Oral Irrigator by CK So Hot. They're basically like flossers, but like with water. So the first thing it comes with is a little bag. So I'm assuming this is what you put your oral irrigator in when you're traveling. So first and foremost, we have the actual where you're gonna put the water, as well as where, you're gonna floss your teeth with water. Here's what it comes with, different settings. You can see over here, so it says normal, soft, pulse, or DIY. It has instructions on that you're supposed to press it for 3 seconds. Ooh, nice and hefty. It's pretty cool. The second thing is the actual flosser material, or the flosser head itself. So this you plug into here just by snapping it on. There you go. Third item is, a charger. Fourth item, the other part of the charger. And in here you can see there's 2 different heads as well, and then these different color. Oh, I wonder if they're like, I wonder if the color means that they are different sizes. We'll find out. And it also comes with this interesting looking head. I'm not quite sure what this is yet, but we're gonna find that one out as well. And then it comes with, yet again, another flosser. Okay, so the first thing it mentions is that if you've had oral or dental surgery within the past 2 months, consult a doctor before use. Secondly, this is very important. The first time that you use the product to clean, you will experience slight bleeding gums. But they say not to be worried because your gums are damaged by the water impact and it takes time getting used to. It will generally stop after 1 to 2 weeks after your mouth adjusts. If the bleeding does not stop or last for more than 2 weeks, consult a dentist or stop use. Okay, this product is only used for teeth cleaning, so do not inject it into ears, nose, or other, parts of your body. In order to clean your nozzle, you want to just basically clean it out with water and then wipe it down with a cloth. But they do recommend that you change a new nozzle every 3 months for the best experience. It already comes with 5 nozzles in here already, so yours should be good for like a year. And it also says please contact this email in order to get 4 replacement nozzles for free. So they're basically giving you another almost like year's worth. And then finally it says before you use it, make sure to charge it 8 full hours before you use it for the first time. Then once you do, you can just go ahead and open this up, pour the water in, fill it up, and then you can start. They recommend by going and starting off with a soft pressure first, and then you can do normal, pulse, whatever it is. This button, I'm assuming it ejects this little guy. Yeah, there we go. So you can change him out when you want. That is the IMAX water flosser. So if you want to purchase this water flosser, check out the link below. I have everything in the description. And for more product reviews, continue watching and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.